Right then, these are the parts that you'll need in order to do the screen setup that I've got for the PARD 008 LRF. It works well, it's secure, it ain't gonna fall off. So what I'll do now, as you can see what I've got there, I've got a bracket, I think it was about £8, that's for a DSLR camera. I've also got a tripod mount for, I think it was for a camera, but again I'm just going to use that just to show you, because this allows me to ensure that the screen tucks away so it tilts back in. And obviously you've got your HDMI cable, that's got the connector on the end, or the bit of plastic glue, I think what it was called when it came out of the box, which I moulded around it, so now when you plug that into the PARD it actually creates some sort of seal against the elements. And then you've also got the monitor, which is the Viltrox DC50, and that's got the built-in battery on the back, and it's got the thread on the bottom, and then it's got the HDMI cable behind there. Right then, I'll put it all together. Right then, I'll put it together now. First of all, you've got the DSLR mount. Take the connector off there, and then second hole down, what I want to do is thread it on. And then I'll get the ring I've just took off, put that on, basically do it tight, and what that does is just makes it nice and tight. Then on the bottom here you've got a quick release thread, so put the camera on it so it fits into the thread on the bottom of the camera. As you tighten it up, you can move the camera backwards and forwards, whichever position you want it, actually you can angle it as well, just in case you want to angle it a different way. Once you've tightened it up, there you go, and that's on. And then it just looks like that. Sits on the gun nicely, doesn't move, it's perfectly in line with your eye and everything for the PARD, and it works. I'll show you now how to do the setup with the one more adapter here, which allows you then to turn the screen and the mount. Right now I'll show you how to do one, so the screen folds in, literally folds in sideways here. So first of all you'll need that, which is the tripod connector with, I think they call it a ball on it, rotating ball. So on the mount, screw it onto your mount so it's tight. Don't worry about where all this sits, because once you've loosened it off you can move it all around to where you want. What you want is you want this hole here at the front, so as high as you can. Then if you then tighten it up and it sits like that, then what you'll do is you get your plate again, put your plate on, if I can get it on, yeah, there. And again, just make sure it's nice and tight, like so. And there you have it. Same again, just like in the other one. Put the screen on. Find it. Out there. Push the screen all the way back. Turn it on. So the setup will look like that. obviously pay attention to this part here, see where the cutout is here, make sure that's facing to the back, or whichever way you want to fold the screen actually. And then to fold the screen, if you go back, it's as simple as unloosening the bolt at the back, which is that bolt there, and then unscrewing it, tucking your screen in, tightening it back up, and there's your folding screen. And then your screen folds in like that, and then it's a case when you're walking around, have it folded in like that, but then when you want to start shooting, loosen it, unhook it out, put it to the position you want it in, tighten it up, and away you go. Simple as that.